Here's the truth. I have been wanting to start this channel for a long time, and I cannot think of a better time right now in December when we're going into January, a time where historically people start thinking about their health and food and eating less or getting in shape. So I think this is a perfect time to start this channel. I talk to a lot of people, and when they find out that I eat a mostly vegan lifestyle, I hear all the time, oh, I'd love to do that, or at least eat less meat. I know people think about it. They're vegan curious, if you will, but they don't really know where to start or what it means, and they definitely are a little afraid of the V word. I don't blame them. I was too. That's something that we're going to talk about a lot here, especially in the first few episodes. This channel is about healthy-ish living. That means we're going to talk about working out, where you buy food, cooking, recipes, but most importantly, your mind, your environment, how the things around you that seemingly are out of your control affect your diet. And that's why we start with the foundation of your mindset. All the things that took me years and years to learn. Getting this part right and knowing how to control your mind makes this process so much easier. And also, it helps when you fall off, which we all do, to get back on. It also helps you not beat yourself up all the time. When your mind is right, everything else has a much better chance of succeeding. One of the things that I've learned, not to always be positive, but to acknowledge that something is bad or something isn't going our way, and then ask, what can I learn from this? What am I being taught at this moment? That approach takes us from a victim mentality to a warrior mentality. And again, it's not about pretending things are easy, because they're not. They're very, very hard. I'm not gonna lie, but what it means is believing that things are possible, believing that it's about progress and not perfection. And this first video, this is just an introduction to me, to this channel, and to what we're building here. I am not a guru, I'm a guide. I'm still learning a lot every single day. But as I go to the next level, I think it's only right that I help other people who are just starting their journey. Whatever I can share that will help anybody make the journey easier is a win-win for me. In the next video, I'm going to share the work that I did a few months before I actually started my food program and my workouts. It's the foundation that I laid, the books I read, the movies that I watched, the journaling that I did to get ready to actually start. And right now, in December, we're in a perfect place to get ready. Have a great holiday and start preparing yourself for January. And it doesn't have to be January 1st. It could be February 1st. It's whenever you feel ready. But working towards it is the progress. So if you're thinking about starting or restarting, you are welcome here, exactly where you are. This is Healthy-ish, my veganish journey on how I completely changed my body, my mind, and overall my life. If any of that resonates with you, please like, share, subscribe, and become part of our community. We'll see you in episode 2. Thanks for joining us.